All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a 1978 Jeep CJ5. A little short wheelbase, V8 powered. It's got a 304 original V8 motor in it. It's got fuel injection, new fuel injection on it. It's got Warren locking hubs up front. Pretty neat Jeep. I mean, you can just tow it behind your motorhome if you want. It's kind of a nice, nice fun little thing to take to the beach or up to the mountains in the snow. It's open air though. You just got a little screen on top of you, that's it. It doesn't have a top or soft doors or anything like that, which everything's available for these things, so it's not the end of the world if you wanted to add something to it. One thing about Jeeps, tons of aftermarket goodies for them. But this one has, you know, some extra gauges on there. It's got a, you know, a horn button here. It's got some LED lighting. It's got a few extra switches for if you want to add some accessories to it, some more lights or something like that. It's got a little 2,500-pound winch, you know, get you out of a little spot, hook to a tree and pull you out if you got stuck. But it could be just fun just to drive around the way it is, and even locally, you know, just cool, little convertible. But it seems to run real good, shifts real good. Tires are fairly new, 31-inch tires with some deep dish alloys on there. But pretty neat, affordable for a little old classic Jeep. They seem to be holding their value really well too. You know, especially when they got some options. You know, this one's got disc brakes, power steering. It's not real hard to drive. It's got the 4-speed transmission, but first gear is really a granny gear, so you can start out in second if you want. This thing will climb a tree. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures, some more video for you. All right, let's do a little walk around here in our 1978 Jeep CJ5. These are fun little Jeeps, you know, short wheelbase, good for going around the trails and everything. It's V8 powered, but original V8, 304 Jeep motor in there, AMC motor. And, you know, it's 4-wheel drive, manual transmission. It's got locking hubs up front, Warren locking hubs. Some really cool 15-inch deep dish aluminum alloys there with some 31-inch BF Goodrich TAs, all terrains. Even got Mighty Mouse on there. You could always take that off, but it's kind of cool. Here I come to save the day for all us older people that remember that. But it's got a tow bar in the front. You can just back it up to your motorhome, put that thing on there, and take off. Freewheeling. Got a little 2,500-pound winch. Get yourself out of trouble, maybe. Not a big winch, but you know, it's a little guy to help you get out of a rut or something. It's got LED lighting front and rear. Also has a switch for daytime running lights. It's got like a halo light there. A lot of guys are running those now. They're pretty cool. There's a lot more you could do. You could put some heavy duty lights up on top for four-wheeling. It's got some extra switches inside. Lots of options. Interior's pretty nice. You know, it's got a couple rips in the seat, especially on that side over there from climbing in and out. It's a little bit of a chore to get in and out of it. But yeah, you could actually put some different seats. It'd probably be a little easier. But it does have a tilt wheel. Gives you a little bit more room. It's got a nice roll cage in there for safety. Pretty well built. Also has some bungs here if you wanted to put 3-point seat belts in there, or also the holes in the seats like this. You can also run racing belts through and attach it to the roll bar. A little more secure, obviously. Got a grab bar there. Doesn't have a radio yet, but it's got a hole for one if you want to put a sound system in it. But just kind of a neat summer cruiser. You can hop in and go driving around, have some fun with it. All right, here's the power plant in the 78 CJ5. It's got a rebuilt 304, pretty stock other than that. You know, it's got fuel injection system on there, even though it looks like a carburetor. It's throttle body fuel injection. It's got dual reservoir front disc brakes, power steering, nice little radiator shroud there and set up, all the original stickers for, you know, it's got the Howl performance fuel injection, that's what that is. Pretty cool. Real nice and sano, you know, just a clean looking little motor, easy to work on if you want to work on it yourself. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yep, a good running little Jeep. It's got a 2-into-1 exhaust, you know, dual up front, comes out single in the back. Nothing special there, but just clean. You see those LED lights, they look real good. Well, it's a pretty neat Jeep. If you want to see this one in person, come out to visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the vehicle in person, or if you want some shipping quotes or whatever, we'll get it right out to you. Thanks for watching.